Okay, these are the words for the first part of the last Mishnah I'm going to learn this year. So as I say the translation for the words, please write them down in your sheets. The first word is gapa. Gapa means a wooden fence. That is a fence made out of sticks of wood. Gader is also a fence, but it's a stone fence. It's made out of stones or bricks. Gozal is a small bird like a pigeon. Number 4, mekusharin. The shoresh is kesher. Mekusharim means are tied. Number 5, a shvil is a path, P-A-T-H. Number 6, sadeh is a field. Number 7, ashpa is a garbage can. Number 8, mechusa, the shoresh is chasa, chav samechei, and mechusa means it's covered. And finally, number 9, megula, the shoresh is gimel lamed hey, and megula means it's uncovered. Okay, now we're going to go look at the first part of the Mishnah. I'm going to read and translate for you. Matza achar agapa, if one found behind a wooden fence, or achar agader, or behind a stone wall, gozalot mekusharin, birds that are tied up. Or bishvilin shebesadot, or if you found them in a path in the field, are ze lo iga bahen, you should not touch them. Mishnah continues, Matza kli be'ashpa, a new case, if he found a vessel or a utensil ba'ashpa in the garbage, im mechuse, if it's covered, lo iga bo, he shouldn't touch it. Im megule, if it's uncovered, notel umachris, then you pick it up and you announce it. And we'll stop here. This is the first part of the Mishnah. When you finish taking the notes on this Mishnah, please go to the Google Classroom. I posted a link to a wiser on the first part of the Mishnah to make sure that you understand it well. And then we're going to continue a little bit further.